Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Uruguay. So let's get started. So as you can see here, Uruguay has 1,000 number of people that are unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. So what to sell on Fiverr? So you can be a social media manager of a gig. You can do editing, you can do content writing, you can do voiceovers, you can produce the YouTube intros, ads, and many other things you can do it. Okay. So it's a very great platform, easy to sign up and register also, and you can sell it. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.